Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for this video because we're actually going to be doing a making my 2020 mood board, and I hadn't done it recently. Last time I made it was kind of like a wall collage.
It's the same idea, just like 10 times in size.
So in this video we're going to make it a little bit smaller, but we're making a 2020 mood board and I'm so excited. Yeah, let's get started. Here we are now. Also, yeah, my workspace is, there's a lot going on it. Well, things are already falling off. Okay, so we're gonna be using this collage thing to make our 2020 mood board, and this is actually pretty easy to DIY. Either a hard white poster board or a white canvas, and you actually just cut wires and, you know, stick it to the back, make zigzag shapes. You can skip the wires. That's all up to you. Christmas, you're gone. I don't need you anymore.
Goodbye. Vanished. Poof. Disappeared.
Okay, so now that my poster board is kind of empty, I'm just gonna leave it aside. So yeah, this is optional, but you can either draw or like cut out pictures from magazines, or you can even print them out too. That is a great idea.
Gonna travel space time on a mission to free your mind. Places crash, Paris stay. Feel like Jonah in the wind, like a twister on the rise. Gonna wipe out all your ties. There's no shelter from this chill.
Mood board, how it works, you can draw pictures, you can cut out pictures, you can even print them, and basically you just like make a collage, but having the idea of what you want to see in 2020. So yesterday I drew a few cute pictures of what goals I want to achieve, so I'm just going to show you. I think I already added a mini montage in the beginning of the video, but yeah, and you can decorate it however you want. You can
make it really aesthetic, you can make it poppin'.
I just love making mood boards because it can be so creative, and I'm just gonna, I don't know, I'm just gonna show you how I make mine. First thing first I have is a YouTube subscribe button. I started YouTube a few months ago, last year in September. Wow. But yeah, I want to hit 1K this year. That would be so cool.
So hit the subscribe button.
So I'm just gonna put it right here. I think it looks cute. I think it's actually like a kawaii thing because it's so colorful and bright. So for my second goal I want to achieve for 2020 is for Instagram. Now I want to hit 2K because I'm actually really close to hitting 2K. Originally I was gonna put 5K on this, but I was like,
too ambitious?
Yeah, just don't be too ambitious.
I know I'm gonna reach it very soon. Might take some time, but I'm almost there. Next one is a hashtag number 10. No, I'm not turning 10 years old, but actually I want to reach level 10 in gymnastics. So this is a very big goal. Perfect. That is the big stuff. I want to learn how to drive. I want to make something cute, so I draw a pickup truck with like stuffies on the back. I thought this was so cute. It had like a futuristic look to it.
No, this is not a Cybertruck. Okay, maybe it is a Cybertruck,
But okay.
So the next thing is I want to start a business, but I'm not exactly sure what my business is going to be about. But I don't know, maybe I might make some necklaces or like earrings this year. I might think about it. Maybe I'll start, I'm not sure, but this is on my goals. I'm going to put this right here. Okay, the next thing is travel to a lot of places. I already have a lot of places I'm going to be traveling to this year because of my gymnastics competition coming soon, so this is a great goal, but I definitely want to go to the beach again. Last year was
such a bummer. Thank you, Hurricane Dorian.
That was really nice. Okay, the next thing, it's not really a goal. Oh my gosh, it's not exactly a goal, but it's pretty big for me, and your girl's gonna turn 18 this summer. Whoa, I feel so old already. Not really a goal, but I feel like I should put on my mood board, which is make lots of videos. I used to film on my phone for Instagram. I made a lot of gymnastic videos, but this time I want to make good quality content and actually film them on my camera and edit them on my computer, because I feel like the quality is so much better. So I'm gonna put this up here. Okay, the next thing I want to do for 2020 is make a bathroom makeover, because we did my room makeover and I loved it. It was so fun to paint my room, decorate it, change it upside down. So I want to do that for the bathroom as well, and I think my bathroom just
Needs a makeover.
okay. And the last thing, it's not exactly a goal, but I know it's gonna be happening this year. Why are you stuck on this thing? I'm gonna be finishing high school this year, and I don't know, it's also really sad, but yeah, I'm so excited to go to college finally. Okay, so I have all of my goals out, and now I want to make them like really cute. So I'm gonna put some like random cute things that makes me so happy. It's a little bit simple, but I'm gonna add more later on. But so far I like it because it's like really cute,
Kind of aesthetic in a way.
and to secure it on the wall I'm using a clip, and I'm clipping it on the top, and I'm pushing one of the tabs down, so I have one up, one down, and I'm using this tab. I can put a nail on the wall and hang it as a hook. We're done.